Hi, I'm Jamie with Homeschool.com with your October tip of the month. And this month's tip is to identify your child's learning style. And I know there have been some debates about the effectiveness of adapting our teaching to our child's learning style. And all I can say is that in my experience, in my homeschool with my children, it has worked. It has served me well. So with that, the first step you'll want to take is to find out what your child's learning style is. And to do that, there are plenty of online quizzes. We at homeschool.com have developed a nice, quick, painless one that you can use. It takes less than 3 minutes. While you're there doing that, you might want to determine your own learning style if you don't know it already, because sometimes we impart our expectations on our preconceived ideas of our learning style onto our children and expect that from them. For example, I'm an auditory learner and my youngest daughter is more visual and hands-on learner. And so I'll give her instructions, and when she doesn't respond or she doesn't listen, do them clearly, I'll repeat those instructions just a little bit louder. And really that's not what I should do. I should make her a list or a chart to help her understand and accomplish what I desire for her to do. All children under the age of 8 are typically more of a kinesthetic learner anyway, so we need to keep that in mind as we prepare our lesson plans or our homeschool lessons and teach. But homeschooling is the perfect place to customize our children's education. I mean, where else can you jump on the trampoline and learn your multiplication tables, or read a book underneath a tree or in the tree house? It's just a great way to customize your child's learning. But that's not to say we don't challenge our children with other learning styles and other learning methods. So, do challenge them to try to understand auditory instructions and give them challenges. But do remember their learning style, their preferred method of learning is where they're going to find achievement and confidence. So, October's tip of the month